Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. As we all know, today we are going to have non-farm payrolls, where the US is going to release the numbers of the new employment data. And also from Canada, we are going to look at net change in employment and also the unemployment rates. So as we all know, these are very important data when it comes to unemployment, and on the other side they are very volatile and we should be careful when trading. For this topic I have chosen three different pairs: New Zealand CAD, New Zealand USD and Aussie USD, and what we need to be careful during this event. So let's go on with the first one, New Zealand CAD. As you can see, price is showing different patterns that we can look at here. We are in a potential head and shoulder pattern. This is what the 4-hour time frame is actually showing. So we need to wait for the unemployment data from the Canadian government, and after that we can begin our trade. What is important for this scenario is that we need to see not only the data but how the price will react, because if price is going to confirm the bullish pattern, it should continue increase volume after that. And during this period of time we have seen also that the trend from New Zealand dollar is moving down, and it has tried several times to make a change in trend. Look at these movements, they were very good, aggressive, this one, and after that the price moved down again. So probably the time the price now is accumulating volume, and at this point we can see it moving up as well. Also on Tuesday we have the decision for the interest rate on New Zealand side, so we need to be careful because probably the market is anticipating an increase in the interest rate. New Zealand dollar hasn't increased yet the interest rates, so it can be the next mover. What is really interesting is that if I'm going to break this down on New Zealand CAD on a lower time frame, we are going to see also another potential pattern. I'm going to delete it, and we are in this type of flag pattern or triangle pattern, you can call it however you want, because the price can develop up to the lower part of the structure. So we can see a type of ABC movement as correction. This has high probability of happening, but we need to trade only after the Canadian employment data. If price is going to break out from this flag, it is going to be a very nice entry point for the bullish movement after that. And these are the targets that I have pointed out here. So just wait and probably everything will be more clear. But for the time being, we are looking at accumulation for the bullish movement. New Zealand USD. This is the trade that I shared during the previous time. In this scenario we are looking at for this descending channel. The price is creating it very well. Look at the resistance point that are from above the channel. It is very interesting on the 4-hour. Here we have our resistance areas and the support that is coming from below the pattern. This is looking very interesting right now. It is obvious that the price is consolidating and it is waiting for the non-farm payroll data that are very important, considering that New Zealand dollar is still holding very strong the bearish momentum that is coming from the upper part of the pattern. Look at here that we are in a falling trend, as we can see. New Zealand dollar is holding this bearish movement very strong. We are in the scenario that price can break out from the pattern and it can continue higher. So we need to wait and these scenarios are valid only after the employment data. The problem is that if price is going to confirm this small flag pattern, after that a breakdown can open these chances for a stronger bearish movement. So this is getting interesting in both sides as well. So just focus and wait how the price will develop during this time. And the last one that we are going to look at is AUDUSD. We have seen this also before 2 days. Price is still developing within the channel. Interesting setup as well. As you can see, price was stopped also for the third time. This is the third time. Price was stopped close to this point. It is moving back again. However, everything can happen after Nonfarm Payrolls, because the market has priced in already the movement that can come, and we can see the increase of the bullish steam here. However, we need to wait for the breakout movement that it will happen above the channel. After that we can look at to initiate the trade, but never before the news, because it is very risky. As we can see, also the zone here is difficult to anticipate the next movement, because both are very high probability scenarios, as we can see in both of them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye.